Hello viewers, welcome to your application. Hope you are well. After a long time I am back with another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how can you create this infographic design in Canva. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to edit the infographic template, I will attach the link of the template in the video description. You can also go to my Canva profile. You will see several thousand templates from my profile. So let's start the design. So firstly log in your Canva account, then click on create a design and select the infographic. So firstly change the background color to dark blue, then we will add a text. So go to text option, then click on add a heading and change the font to open sans, and the font size will be 25, and we will replace it to timeline and increase the letter spacing and change it to regular. Then we will add another text. So please duplicate, press Alt from the keyboard and move the mouse button. It will duplicate a new layer of the text, and we will change it to design process and change the font to bold and release the letter spacing and increase the font size to 70 pixel. Also decrease the line spacing. Now we will add a new text for the one, and change the font color to pink, and add a new shape, rounded rectangular, like this. Go to elements, then shapes, and check the see all, and we will see the rounded shape, and change it to your text. I will place a dummy text, change the font color to white and increase the font size. Now we will add a new text layer. So please duplicate it, press Alt from the keyboard and change the text orientation to left and decrease the letter spacing. We will place a dummy text. and change the font size. So now we will add a new shape which is circle. So go to elements and search circle shape, and you will see several shapes. Select one shape. Now I will change this circle shape color to pink. So click on color, then change it to pink. Now we will add a new icon which is eye icon. So go to elements section again and search eye, and you will see several eyes icon. So I will place one of them and change the color to white. Now we have completed the first section. Now we'll duplicate this section for 4 times. So select them all and press Alt from the keyboard. Then duplicate again. Move them. Press Alt from the keyboard and move them to the downside. Okay, perfect. Now you will give some space to each section. Okay. Now we'll change them to several color and change the text 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll change the text color to purple 9 3 9C38 double F. Okay. So now we'll change this also. So click on the icon, then click on the color option and change it to purple. Same again. So we will change them also. The third section, fourth section, fifth section. So color will be green, and this will be yellow, and this will be red. And we will change them also. Also this circle icon. Now you can also change the icons by searching new icons here. Same as the design, it will be fan icon, bulb icon, gear icon, and the sack mark, and you will find them all in this element section. Okay, so we have completed our design. Thanks for today. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.